In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record an expense in QuickBooks Online. To get started, sign in to your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll be ready to enter the transaction. Recording expenses properly is important because it helps keep your books accurate, makes reporting easier, and gives you a clear picture of where your money is going. Next, open the Create menu by clicking the plus sign labeled New. This is where you can quickly add different types of transactions in QuickBooks Online. From there, look under the Vendor section and select Expense. That will open the expense entry form where you'll record the payment. Now, choose the payee for the expense. This is the vendor, supplier, or person you paid. Selecting the correct payee helps keep your records organized and can make it easier to track spending by vendor later on. After that, select the payment account. Choose the bank account, credit card, or cash account that was actually used for the purchase. This step is important because it tells QuickBooks where the money came from and ensures your account balances stay accurate. Then review the expense date and update it if needed. Make sure the date matches when the expense actually happened, especially if you're entering transactions after the fact. Accurate dates help with monthly reporting and reconciliation. If applicable, add a payment method. This step is optional, but it can be useful if you want to note whether the expense was paid by card, check, cash, or another method. It adds a little more detail to the transaction record. Next, move to the Category Details section. Here, select the appropriate expense category and enter the amount. Choosing the right category matters because it affects how the transaction appears in your financial reports. Take a moment to confirm that the amount entered matches your receipt or bank record. If you need to record specific products or services, use the Item Details section instead. This is optional, but it's helpful when you want more detailed tracking tied to items or services rather than just a general expense category. You can also attach a receipt or supporting document if needed. Uploading documentation is a smart habit because it keeps everything connected in one place and can save time if you need to verify the transaction later. Before saving, review the expense carefully. Double-check the payee, payment account, date, amount, category, and any optional details you included. A quick review can help prevent errors and reduce cleanup later. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Close if you're done, or Save and New if you want to enter another expense right away. Thanks for watching.